YouTube removing dislikes was pretty dumb, and I want them back. So I went to this website, returnyoutubedislike.com, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna install it, but Safari's not on here, and that's the browser that I use. So luckily they have this thing called a user script. To use it, you need to download user scripts from the Mac App Store. And this is an open source extension that works pretty well for Safari. After you install it, you can click Open, and then click on Open Safari Preferences, and down here check the box next to it and say Turn On. Now that it's installed, I can copy out all of this, and then go into this user scripts menu and click Open, click Plus, New JavaScript, paste it in here, and save it. So now the next time I visit a YouTube video, I can see how many dislikes there are.